Ethereum continues the drop and crash below this bear flag pattern. We've officially seen a breakout with candles closing and opening below this structure support. Based on historical data, we are likely to see pretty significant drops. And in this video, I want to talk to you about how we can find the potential bottom of the Ethereum bear market in order to enter the best possible place to maximize potential profit on the upside as we move into the bull market. Guys, it's easier than you think. It's just using the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. And real quick before we get into it, we actually won a brand new simulated trade setup right here. This was on HBAR for a $313 simulated profit, bringing us to 4 wins, 0 losses, 100% win rate so far. You can check that out in our trading portal and get access to weekly coaching videos and updates, all within our membership. Links to join are in the description, and we're also going to give you significant discount codes on the indicators we're trading with today. Getting started, we're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. If you want to see why we're using these indicators, guys, when you see fear or max fear at the same time as a green dot alert on the Pro Trade Manager, this is where we're seeing massive moves to the upside. I'm talking well over 200% in 2025. And if you were able to enter in 2022, this was a 382% move up. 2018 for a massive 5,393% move up. You see now why it's so important to catch these signals. All we want to see as the price drops is for the market cycle highs and lows to fall into fear or max fear. When that happens, we're just looking for a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager. Now, the Pro Trade Manager is actually a mixture of 9 different indicators. So when you see a green dot, it is highly likely to be at least a local bottom. You are typically going to see at least a small move up when a green dot appears. So the Pro Trade Manager calls local bottoms. Fear and max fear calls massive market cycle bottoms. Fear and max fear means that retail traders are absolutely scared out of their mind of losing any more money. They just can't take it. They're selling. They just want to recoup whatever cash they can. And as they sell, it drops the price further. Smart money in the market, institutions are sitting in wait and they're buying as the price bottoms out when retail feels fear and max fear for discount crypto. Now, if you see fear or max fear to call the cycle bottoms and then get a green dot, which calls local bottoms, you may have just found the absolute bottom of the bear market. And again, we see this right here in 2025, green dots with fear call the absolute bottom. 2022, fear and max fear, green dots, again, calling the exact bottom before a massive move up. 2018, max fear, green dot, called the exact bottom before a massive 5,000% move up, which is just absolutely insane. That's all we want to see. Fear or max fear with a green dot. Now, to make sure you don't miss it, I want to bring you to the alerts tab. We're going to click create alert, market cycle highs and lows, fear, once per bar close, click create. Market cycle highs and lows again. This time we're looking for max fear. Once per bar close and click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, long entry, short take profit, once per bar close and click create. Fear and max fear, of course, will let you know when we see fear or max fear on the chart itself. This means you've likely found the cycle bottom. Now, if you get long entry, short take profit at the same time as fear or max fear, this means a green dot has appeared. You just found a local bottom within the absolute bottom zone. It really is as simple as that. You saw how powerful it is. We are making crazy money with these indicators. Our traders are making crazy money with these indicators, and we're just waiting for that absolute market cycle bottom to hit before we make the first major bull market entry. If you want to get access to these indicators, our traders can snag them for up to $300 off. On top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, our trading portal, and more. Links are in the description down below. Membership is the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab. Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for. Reveal your membership coupon code here. It's $150 off the Pro Trade Manager and the Market Cycle Highs and Lows each. Check out on Gumroad. I want this. Market Cycle Highs and Lows. Click that and add it to cart. Throw in your membership code, $300 off total with $150 off each. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for this week's future forecast episodes and more simulated trade setups. Don't miss out.